Just let my boyfriend know where I'm at. Just let him know where I'm at.
If you end up going to jail, I'll let him know where you're at.
No,
okay?
like right now. You cannot take my phone.
What's your name?
My name is Chelsea.
On February 20, 2024, at 6:01 p.m., an officer approached a dark SUV that had swerved off the road, only to be met by a belligerent driver who refused to roll down her tinted windows.
Roll your window down.
Ain't nobody in here.
Okay, get out of the car and come back to my car.
You got me f***ed up.
45,094.
Hey, f***ed up.
Get out of the car.
No, I got my ID right here.
Okay.
No, I don't give a
Okay, get out of the car. Okay, ma'am, get out of the car.
I'm sorry. This is not a car you're looking for.
Okay, I'm unlocking your door. Get out of the car, okay?
Like, why are you doing that?
Get out of the car. Because of the way you're acting right now, I don't know why you're acting like this.
Well,
Get out of the
why
car.
are you acting like that?
Get out of the car, I'm gonna arrest you.
Man, no, you got me f***ed up, Daiquiri. I know my rights.
Okay, get out of the car.
He's telling me to get out of the car.
Get out.
No, I'm right here, like, right by, like...
Get out of the car.
Look, he, like, pulling me, Daiquiri.
Get out of the car.
Like, Daiquiri took my phone.
Stand right here.
Why is you pulling me like that?
You're gonna go to jail in about 3 seconds if you don't calm down.
I don't know you.
Okay?
My car. This is my car. I pay for this.
Okay. You also,
the way you're talking to me?
You also ran off the roadway, okay, and almost hit the curb. You've got extremely dark tint, which is very illegal.
No, it's not. I paid for this, like, looking like that.
Relax.
Do not
the way you're acting right now is... Oh, no, I hang up your phone because you're not going to make calls and call people.
My phone.
Okay, I'm going to put you in handcuffs, okay? Turn around, put your hands behind your back. I'm legally allowed to stop you on traffic stops for traffic violations and issue tickets or warnings or whatever it is. And 90% of the time, your attitude dictates how it goes, okay? Right. I can absolutely take away your phone. I can absolutely hang up the phone because you're calling people that I don't know out to this traffic stop. And I don't want that because that's an officer safety issue, okay? Do you understand that? Okay.
Right.
This could have simply been a warning because you said we're not looking for you, right? So this could very easily be... Okay, and this car is registered to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please answer my phone. Like,
no, I'm not answering your phone.
You're trying to be nasty, bro.
I'm not being nasty. You're the one screaming and yelling. Stop walking around. Come stand right here.
I'm right here by my car.
No, you're going to stand right... Okay.
Just let my boyfriend know where I'm at. Just let him know where I'm at.
If you end up going to jail, I'll let him know where you're at.
No,
okay?
like right now. You cannot take my phone.
What's your name?
My name is Chelsea.
Okay, in this car, you know what? I'm kind of over it now. So you're gonna go to jail tonight for resisting because you're refusing over and over and over and over against you caused this situation. No, you could have simply been like, sir, here's my license, here's my registration, here's all my information.
You knocked on my door.
Listen,
they told me to get out of the car on the back window.
I told you to roll your window down. You told me you weren't going to. I asked you to get out of the car. You refused multiple commands. You're gonna go to jail because of the way you're acting tonight. Okay? Have you been drinking tonight?
No, I have not.
Are you sure?
I promise.
So stand right here on my bumper and stop walking around. Where are you coming from?
On my dead parents.
Okay.
I just came from my house. I'm just going to my sister's house right there.
Why are you acting like this? Why are you acting like this though?
I need my phone.
Okay, your phone can go with you. Hi, ma'am.
Listen.
I did a traffic stop, like I said, because your tint's dark and you almost hit a curb over off of Park Avenue.
Tint, look, my window is down.
I'll absolutely test the tint and show you that it's dark. Walk over here and get in the back of this car for me, okay? Just walk.
I'm not resisting you.
You are. You've already been resisting this entire time, okay?
I need my phone.
Your phone's going with you, ma'am.
No.
Yeah.
Listen, I have to go to work and I'm gonna get bonded out. I already know. Like, I don't give a f.
Stop.
Go and taking a cute picture.
Stop.
I don't care.
Stop. Ma'am.
He walked up to my back window. I rolled my back window down.
Ma'am, stop yelling.
I'm sorry.
Stop yelling.
It's not your fault.
Well, stop yelling. Your phone's gonna go with you.
No. I know it's not your fault.
No, ma'am.
My fucking phone.
Ma'am, you've literally only been yelling at my face.
I'm sorry, and I know it's not your fault.
Calm down.
First of all, he took my goddamn phone out my hand.
Well, were you recording her?
No, I was not recording him.
Were you calling somebody?
No, I was not.
Okay, well, calm down.
Don't get my phone and tell my boyfriend where my car is.
You're not gonna tell me what to do either. So.
I'm sorry, please.
Nope.
Landis.
Nope. Sorry. We're past that right now.
I don't care because he wanted to make his quota.
There's no such thing.
Yes, it is. Okay. My daddy worked for TPD.
The situation escalated into an arrest after Chelsea refused to exit her vehicle, later hyperventilating in the back of the cruiser while officers tried to coordinate a ride for her car instead of towing it.
Who's your dad?
My dad died in 2012.
Okay, well, I'm sorry.
He can search my car. Like, he can do all that. I don't got no drugs in my car.
All right, you're going to sit in my car because you keep yelling.
No,
Be quiet. Be quiet. I'm sick of it. Sit down right there. I swear, you're still yelling.
But he cannot take my...
Sit down.
Can you please just go get my phone?
Sit down. You'll get your phone, but you need to sit down and stop yelling. I'm over it.
He can search my car.
Can you stop?
Do something. I ain't got nothing. I got some money right here.
What do you have?
I got money.
You have money?
Yeah.
Okay, bro. There's no reason for you to...
close this door, I'm going to jail, and I don't care.
Ma'am, you're going to jail regardless.
I don't
if I close this door or not. Okay, well then calm down. Okay, if you don't care
get
so
my
much,
phone and just tell my boyfriend.
You're not going to tell me what to do either, so...
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm just saying, I'm sorry.
Okay, well, don't be sorry to me. Listen to me. A female officer's going to search you. I've already cleared this back, so if there are any drugs on you, it's going to be on you.
I don't do drugs.
Well, listen to me.
I smoke weed.
That's fine. Do you have it? Listen to me. I don't care about weed. Nobody cares about weed. Look, do you have any... Hey, do you have any... What? Wait, calm down. Calm down. Why are you hyperventilating? Why are you hyperventilating?
The fact that I'm going to jail.
Calm down, please. Please calm down. Ma'am. Hey, ma'am. Ma'am, look at me. Ma'am. Hey, ma'am, do you need medical attention? Yeah, I need you to control your breathing. You're gonna make yourself pass out.
145. Good.
Ma'am, you need to calm down. We're gonna
I just don't deserve to go to
Okay,
jail.
well then
Like,
stop hyperventilating. Calm down.
Why don't you bring that phone to me?
Ma'am.
Don't let her make a call. Just call the guy and then have him tell him where we are.
yeah, I know you don't give a f.
Is that the missed call right there?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's my boyfriend.
Well, listen, I'm gonna call him.
I need my f***ing, like,
What's the use passcode? Use passcode.
No, you're not getting my
All right,
passcode
that's
to my
fine. Here,
phone.
ready? Here. Jesus Christ.
Like, I don't care.
Use your thumb. Use your thumb.
That's my other finger.
Thank you. Put your foot in.
What?
I'm calling him. Put your foot in.
I wanna hear
Do not
it.
kick your foot out.
Hello?
Hello, this is Officer Landis with the Titusville Police Department.
Okay.
Hey, sir, what's going on?
What's going on?
Hey, what's your girlfriend's name?
Chelsea.
Hey, Chelsea. Hey, unfortunately, Chelsea's going to be going to jail today. Her car, she wants you to come pick up her car so we don't have to tow it. I don't want to do that to her, okay? What's she going for? Perfect. All right.
Okay. Where y'all at?
We are at, we'll hand you off the keys. That's what she wants to do, and we'll do that for you, okay?
Okay. What's she going to jail for?
I haven't spoken with the other officer yet. I'm just simply transporting right now. But you'll know that very soon, okay?
All right.
Bye. Ma'am, stop hyperventilating, please. Hey, stop. I need you to catch your breath, please. So I can talk to you about your bond, okay? Can I talk to you about your bond? Ma'am, do you need the AC on? Would you like the window down? Ma'am,
I'm in the cage window, like, I can't breathe.
Well, here, ma'am. I'm asking
I
if
have sickle cell anemia. I have a blood disease.
Okay, well, talk to me, ma'am. Breathe in through your nose right now, okay? Long breath in, and then breathe out through your mouth. Do you understand, Chelsea? Hey,
I'm, like, doing it.
you're doing it? Everything's gonna be okay, ma'am. I know you're upset.
I'm in jail.
I know.
They take my money and you get booked into jail. Like, I'm not paying $20 to go to jail.
We already cut you a break. We could have towed your car, but we didn't. Technically, you're the only person on your car. But we gave you that opportunity to have your boyfriend come get it, and that's what we did for you, okay?
That's my boyfriend.
I know. I'm gonna answer it in just a second. He's calling. I'm gonna answer it in just a second. I can't answer it. I can't answer it right now. I'm driving.
He needs to get my money because I've been in jail.
Okay.
And you walked up to my car, knocked on my back window, act like I had people in there, and I was like, I'm not going to roll down my back window.
Well, ma'am, how are we supposed to know that? Can you tell me how I'm supposed to know that? I would have done the same thing if I was on a traffic stop. Ma'am, this is how we're taught. Do you know?
What's your name?
Chelsea.
Hey, Chelsea.
Hey,
What's going on?
I'm fine.
I've been nasty to you?
Like, you're like, oh, Miss Chelsea, oh, please calm down. I
need to
don't want you to
calm
hyperventilate.
I don't want you to.
I'm just gonna
I
start.
just need my shirt pulled up. This is my
I'll fix
work
it for.
shirt.
I'll fix it for you.
No, I'm saying just pull it up.
Okay.
Because it's like over my shirt.
Yes. Better.
And I got like money in my titty.
That's fine. I'll grab it. Let's go in the front of the vehicle.
No, all this live PD.
Listen to this officer, please.
I know this. I got it.
Chelsea.
I know I ain't doing nothing wrong. So, all right.
Anything on you that's gonna poke or pick me?
No, I don't do no drugs.
Okay.
I got that hold that arrested me.
No, that's not him.
Oh,
He's not even here yet.
This man like pulled me out of the car, did me so wrong. I'm coming to TPD.
Okay.
I got
Just
money in this
relax,
pocket
relax.
and I got money in my titty.
Okay. Which pocket?
This pocket right
Okay,
here.
I'll grab it for you. All right.
And I got money in my
Okay.
titty.
You can put your hands down. Relax. Spread your feet as wide as you can.
That's my ID and that's my lawyer's goddamn. Oh, yeah.
Relax.
And I got money in this titty.
This one right here. Is it in the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like in my titty. I'm a girl, so I just put all my money.
I know. That's.
It's like over like probably $200 maybe.
Where do you work?
I work at McDonald's. Like I have to go to work tomorrow.
You got this money right here.
Yeah. And I got money in my titty.
Just relax. We'll get there. Did you just get off
With
work?
drugs, like you can lift up my
You're
bra.
good. We'll get there.
There's nothing.
Spread your feet for me.
I got money in this titty.
Listen, it's coming with you, Chelsea. Stop. I'm gonna count.
Why are you grabbing
Stop.
me?
Stop.
See how they be grabbing?
Talk to me. No.
But I just want to count it in front of people.
I'll bring it over there to you. Just go with him.
Come on, Chelsea. This is what.
Do you see anything else in there?
No, I'm saying you can like lift it. Don't they lift it and
I'll
like
grab it in
shake
a
it?
second. Relax so that it's not pressing it. All right, perfect. All right, you're good.
I need
I got
my
it back.
lawyer.
It's fine. It's coming with you. Listen. Come on. I'm trying to be so nice.
Why can't I
Sit
not
back in
like
the car,
see
please.
it?
Chelsea, sit down.
I don't know how much
Chelsea,
money it
that's
was.
fine. I will count it right in front of you.
No,
Sit
you
down.
can-
Sit down. Thank you.
Bro,
Jesus.
why would y'all like take my money back?
135. And
Do this to me real quick. I'm writing down all the numbers. Okay? I wrote down your boyfriend's number and I wrote down Reva's number, okay?
That's my
Listen,
boss.
okay, that's fine. Listen to me. I want to turn your phone off so you have charge when you get out, okay? I'm writing down all the numbers you need, okay?
I just need my boyfriend's number.
That's
I know
fine.
my
I got
boss's
it.
number by heart. I
Ready?
just need to go to
Listen
jail and get
listen to me.
bonded
That's fine.
out.
We're leaving right now. Calm down. But listen, she's right here.
$135.30. We were just counting it. He just wanted you back in the car, that's all. You just gotta relax. I know it's a really crappy situation to tell you to relax.
I
but
don't care.
Just,
I will be bonded out.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, the way I got put out my car,
I wasn't there, so I don't know. I'm only here for the
and I wish you were there.
In the aftermath of the arrest on February 20, 2024, Chelsea's aggressive behavior continued at the precinct where she initially refused to participate in the booking process. Although officers had initially attempted to avoid towing her vehicle, it was eventually impounded after her boyfriend failed to arrive within the designated time frame. Legal proceedings revealed that her high level of agitation and refusal to comply during the stop resulted in a permanent charge of resisting an officer without violence. The court ordered her to pay over $1,200 in fines and court costs, in addition to requiring her to have the illegal window tint professionally removed and inspected. Ultimately, Chelsea was sentenced to 12 months of supervised probation and was required to complete a mandatory de-escalation and behavioral health course. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.